This is the elevator at Zara at the Mall of America in Bloomington, Minnesota. To Minnesota, I jog elevator. and excuse to me because my voice is kind of scratchy a little bit. It's got Innovation Bruiser. Here it is. Scope 2. Door goes by works. I like that. Here we go. That was a good motor. Alright, let's go back down to 1. I'll get a cab here really quick. It's a nice elevator. It's a bit dark. Acme floor indicator, Innovation Bruiser with yellow lights, which is really cool. Here we are at 1. And that's it.